In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can expand your hidden columns and rows right here in Google Sheets. So if you have some hidden columns and rows because you were trying to make some comparisons and now you're done, this is how you're going to expand those hidden columns and rows. Let's start with our columns right here. So obviously, we only see our columns B, C, D, E, and J. So you already know there are some hidden columns right here, and we're going to start from the left with our column A. So we already know that our column A is hidden, and to expand that hidden column, you just have to go to the top of those columns right here, and you will see an arrow pointing to the right. If you hover over it, you will see that it's now more visible. If I click on it, I've successfully expanded that hidden column. There you have it. Next one we have in between our columns E and J. So if we wanted to expand the columns in between these columns right here that are currently hidden, we're going to do the same thing and just click on those arrows pointing either to the left or to the right. You can click either of them. So if I click on the right side, there you have it. We've expanded those hidden columns, which are the columns F, G, H, and I. So that's how quick and easy you can expand your columns. And now we move on to our rows. On the left side, you will see the numbers which represent your rows. And here we have just below our row number 3 is right away our row number 7. So again, we do have some hidden rows that we want to expand and see. We have those arrows this time that are pointing up and down. And the same with our columns, you can either just click on the arrow pointing up or the arrow pointing down. Let's try and click on the arrow pointing up. And here we have it. Our hidden rows of 4, 5, 6 are now visible. Going down, again, we do have some arrows right here. So these are indications that you do have some hidden rows within your data. And if you want to quickly see them or expand them, just click on those arrows, either pointing up or down. There you have it. One more right here. Just click on the arrow and there we go. That's how easy it is. You can expand your hidden rows here in Google Sheets. So all in all, it's quite easy. You have those indications for your columns, which are arrows pointing left and right. Or if it is at the beginning of your data, that's only going to be the one pointing to the right. And for your rows, those are the arrows pointing up or down. And that is how you can expand your hidden columns and rows right here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.